In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell a car on Facebook Marketplace. Let's dive in together as we go through this step-by-step process to make sure your vehicle listing gets the attention it deserves and attracts potential buyers quickly and effectively. First things first, you'll need to head over to Facebook, open up your web browser or smartphone app, and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, locate the Marketplace icon. It's typically visible on the left-hand menu on desktop or along the bottom toolbar on mobile devices. The Marketplace is your virtual showroom where you'll post your car listing for others to see. The next step to creating your listing is to click on Create New Listing. This is your gateway to opening a form specifically tailored for selling your vehicle. By choosing the Create New Listing option, you begin the process of putting your car up for sale. Once you're in the new listing section, select Vehicle for Sale. This option will guide you to a specific form meant for cars and other vehicles. Remember, each type of item sold on Marketplace has its dedicated category to help organize listings, so ensure you're on the right track by selecting Vehicle for Sale. With the form open, it's time to provide your vehicle's details. Be thorough here. Include essential information such as make, model, year, mileage, and any unique features or recent repairs. Also, mention its condition honestly. Remember, a transparent and detailed description builds trust with potential buyers. Next, include a good picture. A picture speaks 1,000 words, especially in online marketplaces. Make sure the images are clear and taken from multiple angles, showcasing both the interior and exterior of your car. Highlight any features or areas that might interest a buyer. The better the quality of your photos, the more attention your vehicle will likely receive. Afterward, set your price. Determining the right price for your car is crucial for attracting buyers. Do some market research on similar makes and models to ensure your asking price is competitive, yet reflects the true value of your car. Remember, potential buyers might want to negotiate, so determine your bottom line beforehand. Once your price is set, choose your audience. The Facebook Marketplace allows you to select specific groups or locations where your listing will be visible. If you're willing to sell your car to a broader audience, make sure to indicate that in this step. With everything set, click on Next. This stage is a quick overview of your listing, allowing you to ensure everything is in place as you intended. Double check for accuracy and completeness. Finally, hit Publish. This will make your listing go live on Facebook Marketplace, officially putting your car up for sale. Keep an eye on your messages for inquiries, and good luck with your sale. And there you have it. You're now ready to sell your car on Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.